Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is our day 12 and we almost completed React yesterday. Yesterday we were doing context API in which we do global state management without using prop stealing. Actually in React, each child element can only inherit properties from its parent element, but the parent element is not able to inherit any properties or data from its child elements. Although there are ways to do this, but they are not recommended in general. It's recommended that we should centralize our data in some way or the other so that all the elements are able to extract that data whenever required instead of extracting it from its parents. This method is way more efficient than the prop stealing method. So we studied about this using context API, but back in 2015 there was no method of context API. The method of context API didn't exist in 2015. So developers came up with a solution known as Redux. In Redux, we were able to centralize our data. We were able to keep the data in such a place where each element was able to access that data directly without interfering with its parent or children elements. So this solved our problem, but it created another major problem, that its syntax and boilerplate were so long, were so complex that it was very hard for a developer to understand. Then the developers came up with another solution. They came up with Redux toolkit, also known as Redux 2.0. In that, they solved the complexity problem of Redux. Also along with it, we studied about how to configure that Redux toolkit files, how to make functions in it, how to centralize our data, and along with it, we made a minor project on counters using Redux toolkit. Also, we have started another project. It is a major project including React as well as Redux. So we will be continuing with that project tomorrow onwards. That's all for the day. Thank you.